A federal judge unsealing detailed inventory of the materials seized in the FBI search of former President Trump's Mar-a-Lago estate. ABC News senior investigative reporter Aaron Katersky with me now. So, Aaron, what is in these documents? What's the new information that we have now?
This is a more detailed list of items that were seized from the former president's home on August 8th. And Deirdre, it reveals a couple of interesting things. One, that items with classified markings were simply commingled in boxes with seemingly innocuous items like newspaper clippings and magazine articles and photographs that did not have any kind of classified markings. So you get the idea that everything was just kind of swept up into one box. There's another thing in boxes that were found in the former president's office at Mar-a-Lago, some empty folders that had classified banners written on them, raising questions of what used to be in those empty folders and where are the contents now.
So, Aaron, in regards to appointing a special master, what are the arguments for and against?
Well, in a nearly 2-hour hearing, the judge heard arguments from the former president's team that the special master could help lower the temperature. They say things have gotten heated and the relationships have broken down. There's a lack of trust. The public needs some faith in the administration of justice following the search. And they portrayed the special master as necessary to restore trust and lower the temperature. And they said, you know, really, what's the harm? The judge echoed that question. And the government didn't want to give an inch, Deirdre. The government said that the former president can make no claim on any of these documents because they're not his. He's no longer the president, federal prosecutors said, and they told the judge that he cannot take these documents. He possessed them unlawfully.
Okay, an important point. Before we go, former White House counsel Pat Cipollone, former Deputy Patrick Philbin, expected to appear today before a grand jury in Washington, D.C., the one that is investigating the January 6th attack on the U.S. Capitol. What do we know about that hearing?
Well, we know that it's seemingly underway because we saw Pat Cipollone, the former White House counsel, arrive at the federal courthouse to testify before the grand jury. This was a negotiated appearance, and it took months to work out. We know that the grand jury has been investigating both the attack at the Capitol and the effort to overturn the results of the 2020 presidential election. And we've already heard from Pat Cipollone's interview with the January 6th committee that he wanted former President Trump to do more to try and stop the violence of January 6th. So the grand jury may also ask him a little bit more about what the president was doing at the time or not doing. But Cipollone was also involved right up until the end of the administration. So any kinds of questions about efforts to overturn the election or pressure former Vice President Pence, this fake elector scheme that's been called into question, no doubt we'll ask Cipollone and his deputy Pat Philbin about all of those things.
Aaron, thank you as always.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.